Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Definite integrals with absolute values look scary, but we can solve this by splitting the range. Let's break down the function and find the area. First, look at the fraction inside the integral. When x is negative, the absolute value is positive, so the ratio is -1. When x is positive, the ratio is 1. Now we split the integral at 0. We integrate -1 from -1 to 0, then integrate +1 from 0 to 3. This makes the calculation much easier to handle. Evaluating these gives -1 plus 3, which equals 2. Option B is correct. You mastered this absolute value integral problem. Great job! Well done! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given values and check your steps.